Good morning. It's Monday morning, day trading live this morning. Not sure why I just felt like singing, but I just sang to you guys. But this morning, making two trades, two winners, missing out on an amazing opportunity. I don't even want to talk about it, but I'm gonna talk about it. But you guys can watch the video. Also, gonna give a little bit of life wisdom from deep inside today, or maybe deep inside Al Pacino. I don't know. You gotta watch the video. It's a good one today. So before we get into the live action today, thank everybody out there for watching these videos, for leaving comments, for supporting me since day one. I know the true people are out there. I gave away some Digibyte last night. It was a lot of fun. If you missed out on that live stream, what were you guys doing? Hopefully doing something better than watching me give away Digibyte all night long. I want to give a big thanks to all the supporters, all the subscribers. We're getting so close. We're only 500 people or 400 people away from hitting 25,000 subscribers. We're gonna get there before the end of the month, and I'm still working on what I'm gonna give away, but I've got to figure this out. It's gonna be something that I want to give away multiple things to multiple people, and I want to give away stuff that's gonna help people with day trading or just help with life. So let's get into that live action. This morning we had NBRV gapped up big up there to the 693 area. It pulled back down here, and I was thinking, okay, two possible scenarios here. We're gonna get a little bit of a dip and then bounce back up here to the VWAP, and then we might keep rolling off. So I ended up buying the dip here at 632. You can see on the 5-minute chart that EMA was there, and we got a little bit of a bounce back up there to the 639. It got stuck there at 640, and I was like, it's getting stuck there, a lot of selling pressure. So I just got out at that 640 area. Got 637. It was hard I was trying to get 639. You can see I got filled 639 on that first 100, and then the rest got me there at 637. So that was a little difficult there. Just making $50 on this trade. Now after that happened, you can see it a little bit better. So we had this ascending triangle up to that 640 area, getting stuck there 640, and then we broke down below the 630. Well, once that happened, I was like, okay, this might be a beautiful short. So we had shares of short, and I tried to jump in here multiple times there at the 630 area. I put my order out there, 630, couldn't get filled. And then this next candle, it jumped to 632. I actually pulled my order, and I was thinking, well, maybe we'll test 630 one more time, because we had this wick on the bottom of this doji here, and I was thinking, okay, we might test 640 one more time here, get back over that VWAP, and then kind of roll off, which is exactly what happened, but just kind of missed opportunity. I was a little bit greedy. Maybe I was just being a little greedy, trying to get a amazing entry. I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna really crush this. I'm gonna get 2,000 or 3,000 shares at that 640 area, and this thing is going down, and you can see it's down there to $6 now. So I missed out on my fills, and I didn't really feel like chasing it pre-market. So I was telling myself, I'm just gonna wait till open. We'll see what happens then. But right now, it's just not looking that hot overall. Just looking that hot right now. Normally in the morning, I can find some stocks that I'm like, oh, even if they're not the big massive mover of the day, maybe they might, do something at open kind of thing, kind of have some kind of news on, but really just not finding it right now. If I short this thing and there's nothing else out there, even if the idiots don't know if it's going up or down, I think some of these day traders are going to trade it anyway, and they're going to be trying to jump in there, and they might squeeze this up there. Even if this thing is totally going to crash, there's a good chance that since there's nothing else going on, there's no other plays really. I can't find any other plays, that NBRV might be the one play that people might kind of just jump into here this morning, just kind of chasing it or just kind of squeezing it or doing just stupid things, which you can see ended up, looks like the shorts kind of just piled in there. So the shorts really piled in there on NBRV, crashes down there below $6. Jumping in here on BOXL on the washout, thinking we might get back above $9 here. Only 500 shares, small size. Looking for this to rip here. Back above 9, it'd be beautiful. It's a big previous runner, big crazy runner in the past. So this gets back above $9 here. I think we get a nice little pop there. This stock can be very spready at times. It can be all over the place. So looking for this pop here. Look at 915. I'd like to get 9. Let me get 915. I'm gonna take it right there. Just kind of lock it down, baby. Making $165 there on making $165 there on BOXL. That 915 pop. Look at that right up there, 920. Let's see if it'll keep going here. Also taking a look, keeping an eye on NBRV. Look at this thing. It's just been getting crushed at open, down almost 40 cents. About 40 cents now. This was a stock that I talked about earlier that I was thinking about shorting. And look at it now, just getting crushed. Down there to 570s. Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful, boys. BOXL, wow. Look at that spike. Up there to 970. So it got above the VWAP, got above all that action, and then got a nice little spike all the way up there to 968. Oh, you got to be kidding me right now. You got to be kidding me. Look at it. Oh, gosh. There's the drop that I did not want to be a part of. That was the drop that I didn't want to be in. You can see from 960 back down there to 975. So you can see there from 963 back down there to 878 on that 1 minute candle. And that's exactly what I did not want to happen. I did not want that to happen to me. That's why I took profit there at 914 and just kind of locked it down there. Maybe I should have kept half. Maybe I could have kept half there. I don't know. BOXL, it's all over the place. I didn't even think I wanted to trade this one this morning. Honestly, I told myself I probably would not even trade this stock today. But we got that nice little washout there at open. And I jumped in there. You can see this previous support there at the at this kind of area right around there, that 970 area. So I was thinking we might find some support there at the 9. I thought we might find some support there at the 870 and might look for that move just back up there to kind of pre-market highs, possibly higher. I was hoping it would have been beautiful if we could have got that spike there, you know, on this candle up there to 930, 950, 960. That would have been beautiful, but we just did not get it. And man, everything is just getting crushed right now. I'm really kind of jealous about NBRV. Oh, man. The FOMO is real, guys. The FOMO is real on NBRV this morning. It's super, super real. Like, I can just feel, I can feel it. I can feel it deep in here. It's growing. The FOMO is like, I'm coming out. I'm coming out. The FOMO wants to come out. It wants to play this stock. It wants it so badly. But I feel pretty good. I feel pretty good that I had the discipline. I held out. You know, I told myself I was going to wait for a beautiful entry. I tried to get filled there at the night at the 640 area. Could not get filled. So after that drop, I was like, well, I missed out on an opportunity. Maybe I'll wait till later, get another opportunity like that. But, oh, man, NBRV, sometimes, you know, it's just like one of those things where you're so close. You're right on the line. You're right there. You're that close to making money. You're that close. I mean, it's literally that close. You're that close to making money. But you don't pull the trigger, or you don't get filled, you don't get the right entry. It's just not working out perfectly, and you miss out. And that's day trading, baby. I mean, it's not even a second, I think. I think it's like maybe a 0.000 of a second. If you're that late to short, if you're that late to sell, you can miss out on some amazing opportunities. And like, go back to BOXL here. BOXL, you know, if you can look at this chart now and be like, oh, why didn't you hold? Why didn't you hold? You could have gotten the next big pop. But at the same time, I was kind of like, oh, we're not getting the action. We're not squeezing. You can see the volume on this candle was only 71,000 shares. Really, this is what I wanted right here. This was the candle that I wanted. You know, look at that, from that 878 area up there to 968. So that was almost a full dollar move that I wanted, that I needed, that I was planning for, but just didn't get it right away and ended up taking profit there at 914. And look at that big old spike, baby. Big old spike up there, 968. 1 second too early, 1 second too late. The inches that we need are everywhere around us. If you know what quote that's from, leave a comment below. What movie is that quote from? The inches that we need are everywhere around us. The margin for error is so small that it's almost, you can't even, the margin for error is so small, it's almost so small you can't even see it sometimes. So like BOXL, I mean, all these trades, there's just always, you know, it's always a what if. You know, what if I did this? What if I did that? What if I was 1 second? What if I sold 1 second later? What if I held for one more second? Where would I be at? How much money would I have made today? So it's always kind of the questions that we have to battle with ourselves, the questions that we have to ask ourselves. You know, I made $52 on NBRV. I made $165 there on BOXL. And I'm telling myself, you know, what if I would have done it a little bit differently? What if I would have maybe shorted NBRV when I wanted to? Well, you know, what if I would have chased it? This is one of those stocks that obviously if I would have chased it, I would have made money. So there's going to be those days where you're going to chase a stock. It's going to work out for you. Then there's going to be days where you chase a stock and it doesn't work out for me. You know, with my luck, if I would have shorted here, if I would have been like, oh, I'm going to short in this area because I can't get filled up here, this thing would have squeezed on me. And that's just how it would have went. So I've got to be disciplined. I've got to stick to my guns, stick to my plan. If it doesn't work out, I got to walk away, and it's not working. I got to take trades. I got to take opportunities that come to me, not just go around and chase every single opportunity there is, because there's always going to be opportunities in the market. But if you go around chasing, you're gonna get smashed. You might win a couple times, like NBRV. I mean, you could have chased this all day long. You could have chased it. I can still be chasing. I can be chasing right now and still be making money. But at the end of the day, there's always going to be those opportunities around you, but you really have to focus on getting the best entries. Because if you, like I said, if you're 1 second too late, if you're 1 second too early, that can be the difference of thousands of dollars. So there it is, kind of closing it out with a little bit of wisdom today. Wisdom, baby. Not only do you get to watch these videos and learn about day trading, you get to learn about wisdom, about the world that's out there, the wisdom of the world. Patrick Wieland's wisdom. Well, maybe it's Al Pacino's wisdom, or it's whoever wrote the script wisdom. I don't know. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and close it out. It's 9:41 on a Monday. I've actually got work I got to do today. I got to go and handle some business. I try to always get stuff done. Monday, I'm like, boom, boom, let's get stuff done, and that's what I do. And that's kind of what I'm going to do today. So, oh, NBRV, why are you going to do that to me? Why are you going to do that to me? It's painful. This thing's probably going to get down in there to 540 later on. It's probably going to do it. It's going to do it. Watch. Oh, God.